Hi everyone, Jordy here for Premiere Basics. Now, choppy playback, we all hate that. Definitely when we're about to add effects to our clip, it's often impossible to play your video in real time. Now in the top of the timeline, we can find a color label. When it's yellow, it means Premiere Pro is able to play back your video in real time. Usually this is when we haven't applied any effects to it yet, or the effects are lightweight. Red means Premiere can't play it back in real time. What we then have to do is render our footage. Now, after you're done with that, the indicator will turn green. Head over to the menu and select Sequence. Here you can see multiple ways to render your clips, but how do we know which one to choose? Well, rendering effects in and out or just pressing the return key is a way to render all of the effects that Premiere Pro has difficulties playing with. In other words, all the clips with a red label. Sometimes this could take a while as Premiere is actually doing an export of your clips in the background. If you have trouble playing back the yellow labeled clips, you could also choose from the sequence menu, render in and out. When you don't have a selection in your timeline, Premiere will just simply render everything. If you only like to render a portion of your edit, you can make a selection in your timeline by pressing the I short key on your keyboard to set an in point, and then go a little bit further in time with your playhead to press O and set an out point. Then select the render in and out option from the menu and let it do its thing. Rendering audio is also possible from this menu, which could be useful when you're working with audio effects. Now, if there's some kind of a glitch or a bug or a problem with the rendering that you've made, you can always click on Delete Render Files and render again. If you have any other questions, then let me know in the comments down below. And also don't forget to check out our Adobe Premiere Pro class for beginners. You can do so by clicking the first link in the description down below. New students who sign up can get 2 months for free, after which it's less than $10 per month, giving you unlimited access to all of our premium classes and also that of other teachers. So definitely make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.